Reset your Apple ID password in minutes. First, let's reset the password directly on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name right at the top. Next, click on the Sign In and Security option. After that, click on the Change Password. Now, type in your new password and re-enter the password to confirm it. Method 2, reset using Forgot Password. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type iCloud.com or log in Apple ID. Tap on Sign In. Now, enter your Apple ID email and tap Continue. Now, enter your Apple ID email and tap Continue. Here, click on Forgot Password at the bottom. Click on Reset My Password. Now, enter a new password and re-enter it to confirm. After entering it, tap on Continue. And that's it. Your password will be reset successfully. If this tutorial helped, subscribe to Exclusive Solution for more quick, easy tech solutions.